Hey guys, welcome to the Facts About Animals channel. In this video you will see and hear the sound of animals. Facts about animals and fun facts about them, animals being like dogs. Chicken, pig, rooster, horse, cow, sheep, and duck. Chicken. Currently, commercial chicken farming is carried out on a large scale because of consumption of your egg and meat. Pig. The pig is a robust, barrel-shaped mammal and is a famous animal for having a big appetite. Some breeds of pigs are domesticated by man, and some are wild. Pig can also be called swine. Sheep. The ram is the male of the sheep, and its young is the lamb. Sheep are normally domesticated and are present by almost all countries, and wild ones are in more restricted areas. Cow. One of the main qualities of the breed is the Holstein, for having the ability to produce large volumes of milk. Adding to the volume is important. Emphasize that the lactation period of these cows is much longer compared to other breeds of cows. That's why there is a growing demand in many places around the world. Horses. And the main characteristics of these animals is to have a long life, reaching between 25 and 40 years of age. Males usually have equal proportions between height and length. The females are a little longer. Puppies. One of the most present animals in our lives. They are great companions, cheerful and confident. The dog is considered man's best friend, becoming a member of the family and bringing a lot of joy. Everyone, especially children. Cats. Cats are playful, independent, and very curious, and they can also be stubborn. But they are also extremely affectionate and friendly when they want to. If you liked it, leave your like and subscribe to the channel, and until the next video.